Uh, G'day Joey, it's Andrew again. Mate, I was just looking at your floor plans, and this is a 3-story house and we've only got 2 floor plans. I'm going to quickly run you through how to do it. So I've clicked on your floor plan and I'm looking for my section, so I'm going to turn my section cut on, and now I can see that that's the right section. I can see that it needed to move up. Okay, so I can see all the ground floor walls there. Okay, and now if I go back to my floor plan, I actually have that correct now. So and then I'm going to have floor plan number 2, which is looks pretty right to me. It's in the right location, but I'm going to also need another floor plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn this off, and so I turned off my sections altogether, and I'm going to create a new section. And I find the best location where I grab most of the windows or all of the windows. And you know what? I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to move it up. That way I get all my windows. There we go. Okay. And then I need to go from to top down. And I need to then go right click. Well, actually first I want to turn this off because otherwise it's going to save it. So get rid of that. Turn this off. Justify it in my screen where I want it to be. And then go right click, add. And if you go to scenes, drag this across a touch. Change it to floor plan 3. So essentially I have floor plan 2, floor plan 3, and floor plan 1. Okay. You can take the transitions out if you want to. It's a good idea to also go and put in your room names as well. So basically, whether you want to do it with the text tool or the 3D text tool, go and put in your room names, or bed 1 or whatever. Scale it down so it's the right size, use scale tool, and then go and put all those in as well. It just makes it easier to navigate the plan. Okay, the next thing is that underneath your walls, I've already redone this and fixed it up. Underneath your walls, sorry, interruption there. Basically, you didn't have any joists underneath here. I'm just going to show you roughly how to do this. So if we had a rectangle like the house like that, and we have another rectangle here, I would always put my joist over the whole lot first. So I'd just go to my joist tool and I'd go and put my joist in. Okay, so I'm going to go this way. Right, I'm going to delete the face that was on top because I don't need that anymore. Now if I had a stair void like you do in that one there, I can right click and go floor joist, add void, and now I can go on the inside of my walls and I can put my stair void wherever I want to be. Obviously on the one you did, you trace your walls, and it's going to cut that hole for me, and I have all my joists around the outside. My floor still needs to stay underneath the frames and so on. So just be careful when you're doing your second floor to always make sure you trace the underside of the wall. If the walls are a loop, you can right click and create face at base of wall. The next thing I noticed is on your ground floor, these bearers aren't going to the wall. Now there is a beam in the engineer's details. I'm not sure if you got them, mate, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. I'll just find them and bring them in one sec.